Construction is accelerating across Camp Nou on multiple fronts. The compression ring is placing radial beams with a new crane now managing lifts in Gol Sur. Sandwich panels are reaching the second level for the first time ever on mobility cores. Escalator equipment has arrived at Tribuna after months of absence. Louver support brackets are spreading across the stadium sections. Ceramic lam installation continues progressing steadily. Protection nets are being staged for worker safety. Let's walk through it all. The compression ring dominates today's activity. Workers are actively placing a new radial beam in the upper zones, with 2 platform operators coordinating the installation, one positioned above and one below. The beam is being fitted between connection points where 4 flanges will eventually unite the radial beams together, creating the continuous structural path around the stadium perimeter. A new tower crane has assumed compression ring lifting duties in Gol Sur. The previous crane completed its phase in this corner. This fresh equipment is now positioned deeper into the zone, ready to handle all incoming compression ring pieces as the work advances further around the stand. This transition ensures continuous workflow without interruption between different sectors. Material staging throughout Gol Sur is impressive. Boxes, flanges, pillars, and support components are everywhere, all sorted and ready. The team knows exactly what order these pieces go in, and they're prepared to keep rhythm going without interruption. Every element is positioned strategically for efficient placement. Workers are also installing protection nets and safety supports around work zones where heavy lifting occurs. The nets prevent materials from falling to lower levels where other workers operate. Sandwich panels are now being installed at the second level for the first time in the entire project. This represents a major milestone because these panels cover the mobility cores, the shafts that hold elevators, staircases, and all mechanical systems the stadium needs. 2 workers on elevated platforms are completing installations with several panels already locked in place. The panels are sandwich-style components with insulation material in the middle and concrete shells on each side. They provide thermal protection while staying lightweight for high-level installation. Escalator equipment has arrived at Tribuna after months of absence from the stadium. Workers are removing protective plastic wrapping from the new units. This equipment arrival signals the stadium is moving toward visitor-facing completion phases. Escalators represent major mechanical systems installed near project end rather than beginning. Louver support brackets continue spreading across the stadium. Workers are painting bracket faces and rear elements with black protective coating. The meticulous work prevents rust and provides weather protection. Ceramic lambs are being placed in the false ceiling zone with continued momentum. That wraps the walkthrough at Camp Nou. The radial beam placement shows the compression ring maintaining steady momentum. Sandwich panels hitting the second level signals transition toward finishing phases. Escalators arriving means Tribuna progresses toward completion. Louver brackets spreading across multiple zones. Ceramic lambs advancing steadily. Protection nets ensuring worker safety. Every zone shows real progress. Subscribe for daily updates. Visca el Barça.